3D scanners can be a valuable addition to your CMM toolset to increase measurement efficiency. Their high resolution, fast data acquisition and accuracy, combined with the CMM's automated measurement process, can make quick work of surface inspection. PolyWorks Inspector 2025 expands support for laser scanning on CMMs with Renishaw controllers and increases the range of supported 3D scanners with the latest Kreon and LK models. To simplify scan path programming, this new release allows effortlessly setting the ideal laser scanner orientation using the CAD model surface while previewing the laser plane. Also, you can reuse a scan path with a different starting point to quickly create additional scans, speeding up measurement coverage and inspection sequence creation. Download PolyWorks Inspector 2025 now and maximize the efficiency of laser scanners on your CMMs.